salt fields flooded. Hello, looks like salt season is over. There are more and more rains. It's on a regular basis, almost every day. And then last night there was again rain for a pretty long time, almost all the night. Agong is covered in the clouds. I still have a plan to go twice to the top of the Agong, or at least one, but East Peak. And now I'm kind of waiting for the moment when it will be available, because at the moment it's not really good idea to go to the Agong, just simply because you will be on the top and will see nothing. I'm pretty sure all of you following up what's going on around here with all these countries, which countries are opening, which are not. All of you actually like a kind of starving for traveling again, and of course this news are really important for you. The latest news is that our neighbor Malaysia opening borders for all the tourists who are vaccinated without any quarantine starting January 1st. Starting 29th of November they start testing it out, and they're going to open borders for Singaporeans and I think from Indonesia as well. So they start trying out with the nearest neighbors, and then they will see how the things is going, and then yeah, they will be ready for the 1st of January, hopefully. Again, it's a good sign for us because it's a nearest neighbors. We are looking at each other, definitely. And when the Indonesia will see that Thailand is doing good, Malaysia is doing good, probably also we will follow them. We didn't feel it here, but looks like in Tulam there been really heavy rain last night. Here in Ahmed everything becomes greener. As you can see, all the mountains are way greener than like a week ago. Time for some technical dive at Boga wreck. I never did actually really any technical dive there. Usually what I've been doing, it's always been assignment dives. Today we're gonna do 2-level dive. First one 35 meters, that's the lowest deck. I don't think we will be that long on a 35, just simply because the wreck is on a reef, and it's like the lowest part of the wreck is 34, 35, and then as long as you get closer to the middle, it's already like 30 meters. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the lower deck, and then we're gonna come up to the middle deck, which is on a 25 meters. Then we will swim around. We're gonna have some 25 minutes on that depth, and then we will come up to upper deck, which is on 18, 20 meters. All in all, we're gonna spend more than around 40 minutes on a wreck. That's the longest what I have. Usually when the people do single tank dives here, the total dive is on around 35-40 minutes, just because of the air consumption and because you spend a lot of time at the depth. But this time, because we have technical dive and we have a chance to take more than one tank, so we're gonna spend pretty long time there. I'm pretty excited about that dive. See you on a wreck. Super happy about the dive. Water temperature was 29, 30, even on a 34-meter depth. In the beginning of the dive, we got a little bit of the current. We needed to swim against the current a little bit, but as long as we were hiding next to the reef, it was super easy to reach it. I mean the wreck. It was super easy to reach the wreck. Then later on we came back. We got 27 minutes of decompression at 6 meters, and it was super comfortable because the reef is beautiful at that depth. We saw a lot of fishes, a lot of corals. And it doesn't feel that long, that 27 minutes. Anyways, super happy. I never been that long on that wreck. I was able to check out every single detail of it. I think I got some good footage from it. Anyways, super happy. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you on the next video again.